happy Wednesday to all my Chic babes and Chic fur babies. We are doing a Chic babes and fur baby boutique unboxing. Yes, we are unboxing our brand. How cool is that? Yes, our brand. So the package came today. It was raining today too. It had cleared up. So yes, y'all see that? Chic babes and fur baby boutique. I am so excited. I love all of my products. And me and Coco, we are going to get one of each. Enough is. So I will always be making the sale because I am my biggest fan, my #1 customer. I love all our products. So those of you that are business owners, Printify will be a very good addition to your business, okay? If you're selling products that just requires, of course, shipping, and it requires custom designs like myself, have my logo printed on my products. If that is you, Printify. And you have to use my unique link, try.try.v2GYB4/V2GO1. That's my special link, okay? Y'all use that link and you will get a discount when you join Printify. You will love it. You won't have to worry about having a lot of inventory around your home or in a storage somewhere, okay? You don't have to worry about packing any items to your customers, because what Printify does, all you do is go onto their site, search the product that you want, whether it be t-shirts, jeans, whatever, lotions, whatever the product is. Search for the product that you want to sell to your customers. Do your design, publish it, and it will automatically upload to your store. Okay, so yes, you have to have a store as well. For example, a Shopify store. I have Shopify. So once I go into Printify, as a matter of fact, I do all of my designs right from the Printify platform. Yes. So once I find a design, say I want to do some lotions. Well, my last one I did was serums. So yes, I have a beauty line as well. Yes. And so I put my logo on it, published it, and automatically uploaded to my Shopify store. So it's ready for purchase. Yes. And y'all know how I love my skincare routines. So I'm going to be getting the toner, the vitamin boost serum, and I think I have a lotion as well. Yes. So let's see what we got here. This is so cute. Y'all know accessories. We have some of everything, y'all. And I am so happy to have Printify because they give us so many products to sell to our customers. So look what we got. Oh, I love this. Everything is top-notch quality. Everything. They have a list of vendors, okay? Printify have a list of vendors for you to choose from. Okay, so you choose right from their site, print what you want, publish it, and they do the rest. I mean, not print what you want, design what you want, and they do the rest. They'll print, and they will be shipping the product to your customer. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. I love it. So this is going to fit. So y'all know I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this off. And put on my necklace. I am so excited. And so you can adjust this. I don't want to do on. Should I wear two necklaces? Is that going to look right with you? Is that going to look right? If I make this one a little shorter, let's see, I'll make this one a little shorter. I think I'm gonna just wear. Let's see. Is that gonna work, y'all? Is that gonna work? No. So I'm gonna just wear the Chic Babes. I can always put back on this necklace when I feel like it. So we're gonna just wear the Chic Babes for now. Yes, and I love it. It was so, oh, I love this, y'all. I love it. What y'all think? What y'all think? I love it. And this matches my Chic Babes Weekender, because it's in black and white. I have a Chic Babes black and white phone case. I also have it in pink, and y'all have to go to my website, the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique.myshopify.com. I have me and Miss Furbaby Coco, and the Most High. He's the head of the company. Yes, he is. I always put him first in all things. That's right. All things. But anyway, we have so many products. Go check us out. Go check us out. Even if you don't buy anything, drop your email so you'll be notified when we're uploading new products, okay? And when we have sales. Yes. Oh, I love this. So what I have so far, we have the okay, I just got this. I got the Weekender. Ladies and gentlemen, you will love the Chic Babes Weekender. It is bigger than the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Yes, you got really put a whole lot in there. So I have the Weekender. I have the pouch, Chic Babe pouch. And we also have the Chic Babes cosmetic bag in the same colors as the Chic Babes Weekender and pouch. We also have credit card holders for our men. Suave, that's our men collection. Yes, we have men collection. We have everything. Electronics, everything. Yes, we have the Chic Babes earbuds. Yes, we do. We have it all. We have it all, y'all. I am so excited. I am so excited. And please like, share, subscribe. Follow me on IG at ja.cqueelyn. Also on Thread, ja.cqueelyn. On TikTok, I am Zion Israel Locks. Bye, babes.
Feeling good.